usual kids and youth activities are now on a break for the summer, but don't worry, we'll be back in September.
Never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop.
Don't forget, you can still get your Devoted ticket online for our women's conference that's happening on the 1st of October. Connect groups are now on a break for the summer as well, but if you want to meet with yours socially, then just chat to your Connect group leader. So that's all for Excel News, but make sure that you stay up to date with what's going on during the summer and beyond on our calendar on our website. And also, have a great summer, guys.